Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a short tutorial for those using WooCommerce cart all-in-one, who wants to add a personal touch to customers' shopping experience. In this video, we'll guide you on how to leverage the custom message feature in the sidebar cart. As you can see, our sidebar cart's footer section is currently empty. Wouldn't it be great if we could use this space to communicate directly with our customers? We'll see how we can do that. Simply head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Customize settings sidebar cart footer, and you'll find the input field for custom message. Not only does this field accommodate external shortcodes, but it also functions as a text editor, allowing you to seamlessly insert HTML for further customization. In addition, our plugin supports a placeholder shortcode designed to showcase additional products. Let's try adding some sample shortcode and see how it works. First, I'll add a free shipping advertising shortcode from our WooCommerce free shipping bar plugin. Let's check that out. Now, we'll try some shortcodes for multi-currency purposes. Let's start with currency shortcodes. I'll be adding a currency selector. Visit our documentation to find the one with style you like. I'll use this one. It appears a bit too close to the additional products, so I'll insert a little space using a BR tag. Additionally, I'll test with the converter shortcode to see how it works. Now, let's bring in a countdown timer, a powerful tool that creates a sense of urgency, urging customers to complete their orders swiftly. However, a standalone timer might seem a bit lost. To tackle this, we'll include a message to give context to the countdown event. We might even consider adding a link using an anchor tag. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can enhance your sidebar cart with various shortcodes and messages, creating a more engaging and personalized shopping experience for your customers.